Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the screen recognition in your OnePlus 15. So actually, the key features of the screen recognition is text recognition, image and app and web element detection, and of course smart actions. But of course, how to use it is the most important thing. At first, you have to make sure that you do have the latest version of your software installed. Go to settings and scroll all the way down to the system and update. Tap software update, and now here, if you do have the version up to date, that's nice. You can go back, and tap the plus key. Scroll to the left or have the first option here and tap set. As I can see here, we do have tap to recognize and save screen content. So let me, for example, enter some application, like for example, let it be Chrome and Labubu, and let me click the plus key. This will take a screenshot and analyze it. Here, as you can see, content added. If we tap on it, we can see the AI summary of what is on the screen. Winner Labubu wallpaper search. AI summary, search query, winner Labubu wallpaper. Search filters, all images, products, short videos. Suggested searches, Coca-Cola Pop Mart live wallpaper. Image list results, Labubu adorable winter from wallpaper Abyss, Labubu iPhone wallpaper from ArtStation. Here, as you can see, we have some remarks. You can add note to the memory, like this answer or not, and ask questions. For example, where is Labubu winter wallpaper? Let's analyze it. Here, as you can see, we do have the answer for our question, and it's here, as you can see, wallpaper Abyss here. Actually, that's very nice, and that's how to use that. Apart from that, to enter the mind space like separately, we can just search for this application shortcut on the home screen, tap it, and now here, as you can see, we have the Mindspace beta. As you can see here, we can tap create the collection, tap, for example, the voice memories, etc. We have just everything here. But to use the screen recognition, we just have to take a screenshot, like for example here, and click it. Here in the Mindspace, we do have it unsupported, but for example in Instagram, which is logged out currently, or let me, for example, tap the household and do the unavailable, do this Mindspace when the game is turned on. Oh goodness, wait a moment, I need to just lower the volume level. Here, for example, as I see in the games like that are horizontal, doesn't work, so I can't do this. But in every other games, like for example Clash Royale, it can help you, for example, decide, it can help you do everything. So yes, but of course, it's very difficult to let your AI decide what to do when the game is dynamic. But actually, that's how it works. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on our video. Goodbye!